Welcome to Sylvan Heights Bird Park. Sylvan Heights Bird Park opened in Scotland Neck, North Carolina in October of 2006 and is now home to the largest collection of waterfowl in the world. Sylvan Heights sits in a 26-acre complex divided by a stream, with the Sylvan Heights Breeding Center on one side of the stream and the 18-acre park on the other side.
The park is separated into aviaries representing the continents of the world. The aviaries are uniquely designed to have no-view blocking poles to allow the visitors to watch the birds up close and in action. Approximately 2,000 birds are on display in the North American, multinational, Eurasian, African, Australian, landing zone, and endangered species exhibits. There are over 200 species, some of which are the rarest birds on Earth.
The majority of the birds at Sylvan Heights belong to the waterfowl family, which includes ducks, geese, and swans. But while at the park, you'll also see parrots, cranes, owls, flamingos, and many other types of birds. Sylvan Heights is world-renowned for breeding rare and endangered waterfowl, thanks to the expertise of the park's executive director, Mike Lubbock. However, to protect the rare breeding birds from disturbance, the Sylvan Heights Breeding Center is not open to the public. Mike began working with Wildfowl and Wetlands Trust in England when he was only 17 years old. It is here that he discovered a natural ability for breeding birds and would eventually become the director of aviculture. It is also where he met his wife, Allie.
When an opportunity to return to the U.S. became available, Mike and Allie Lubbock first moved to Alabama and then later to Sylva, North Carolina, where Sylvan Heights Waterfowl was first created. In 1989, friends from Scotland Neck invited the Lubbocks to move their prized collection of endangered waterfowl from Sylva to Scotland Neck, North Carolina. Today, the Sylvan Heights Breeding Center trains volunteers and interns from all over the world through their renowned avian husbandry program. It is the epicenter for aviculture training in North America, led by Mike and curator Nick Hill. Sylvan Heights is the leading provider of waterfowl to zoos and aviculture facilities throughout the nation.
The focus on education continues at Sylvan Heights Bird Park, where Mike's second mission is to educate visitors about the world of waterfowl. Students of all ages benefit from our unique hands-on education programs, with topics ranging from the world of birds to wetland ecology. Sylvan Heights Bird Park is a 501c3 nonprofit organization with a small staff that relies on the additional support of volunteers, donors, and members from around the world, as well as support from the North Carolina Zoological Society.
As the park's general curator, Brad Hazelden oversees not only the care and well-being of the park's feathered residents, but also the planning and construction of each new exhibit. Brad's renowned expertise in breeding and raising flamingos is evident in Sylvan Heights Flamingo Aviary, where several chicks hatch each year. Brent Lubbock joined the staff after receiving his degree in marketing from East Carolina. He's responsible for spreading the word across North Carolina and throughout the world that Sylvan Heights Bird Park is the place to be educated and entertained by birds and waterfowl of all types. People can come to truly appreciate the value of wetland conservation and more.
If you enjoy your experience at Sylvan Heights, please consider becoming a member of the Sylvan Heights Waterfowl Society. Your membership helps Sylvan Heights continue its world-class conservation and education work, and also has valuable benefits, such as free admission to Sylvan Heights, the North Carolina Zoo, and the North Carolina Aquariums. Thank you for visiting Sylvan Heights Bird Park.